Hi guys, it's Grace here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to notify you on my new videos. In today's video, I will be recreating this look. This look is inspired by Jennie of the Blackpink. If you want to know how I do it, please keep on. To use this NYX Honeydew Dew Me Up. Then I'm going to use also this sensational primer from Catrice. Foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Total Cover. This is the number 10 porcelain. For concealer, I'm going to use the Infallible More Than Concealer from L'Oreal. This is the number 328 Biscuit. I will set it with the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation from MAC. This is the NC20. For my brows, I'm going to use the Essence Eyebrow Stylist Set. This is the number 1 Natural Brunette Style. For my eyes, I'm going to use the Catrice Neon Art Slim Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to line my eyes with the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. This is the number 2 Hot Chocolate. going to use the 5XL volume mascara from Mekka. And then I'm going to use this Clinique Chubby Stick Sculpting Highlighter. For blush, I'm going to use this NYX Professional Makeup Sweet Cheek Adorable Juice Blush Palette. For the lips, I'm going to use this Soap Matte Lip Cream from NYX and NYX Professional Matte Lip Liner. So this is the finished look. What do you think? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!